Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Which one is good to be fit? Jogging, gym, or yoga? Good question. However, to answer this question, another question awaits a reply. That is, which purpose do you want to serve through any of aforementioned exercise? Here, we need to remember that you pick any form of exercise as per the aim you have. For instance, if you want to build muscles, go for a weight training. Whereas if your focus is only on shedding pounds from your body, then cycling and swimming can give you the best result. So let's discuss in brief what purpose does a particular exercise serve. So watch my this video full to get whole knowledge about this, and do subscribe my channel if you are new into the video, and please do like, comment and share this video. So let's get started. Jogging. Running at a gentle pace or running slower than 10 km per hour and maintaining a steady speed for longer period is called jogging. In jogging, a wider lateral spacing of foot strikes, creating a side-to-side movement that probably contributes to stability at slower speed or when there is a lack of coordination. Health benefits of jogging. This form of exercise directly hits the extra fat you are carrying. Once you start jogging, you will notice that your pulse is excessively up and you are out of breath. It happens because your body responds by evaluating your heartbeat. Being a weight-bearing workout, it helps to build strong bones, strengthen muscles, improve cardiovascular fitness, burn plenty of calories, help maintain a healthy weight. Gymming. This term is widely used for an intense and regular workout done with the help of different exercising tools at a gym, generally by the people fall in the age of cluster of 18 to 30 years. The sole purpose of joining gym is to build muscles and flaunt Herculean body. The craze of getting 6 or 8 pack is quite on surge these days. Health benefits of gymming. Regular exercise at a gym will not only elevate your muscles power but also keep you in an ideal shape. Following advantage will drive you to a gym. Build muscles and improve strength. Help you keep your weight in control. Reduce risk of many fatal diseases. Improve your social life by introducing a new set of people. Boost your mental health. Now talk about yoga. Although containing a rich and vast meaning, but if asked to describe it in the terms of exercise, it is a simple but very effective form of workout which not only raise your physical health but also improve mental and inner strength. A number of studies have proved that effective of yoga is barricading the danger of many fatal diseases including heart diseases, cancer, asthma, and much more. Simply by doing some asana, your body and mind are improved to confront the external causes responsible for poor health and mental state. Let's take it advantage. Increase flexibility, improve energy, respiration, and vitality. Keep a balanced metabolism, boost mental health, and protect from injury. So that's all for this video. Stay connected and watch my other video related to the healthy lifestyle video. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel and do like and comment so that I get motivation to make more videos for you. So stay connected and share this video for friends and your relatives. Please do like, comment, and stay connected. Thanks for watching. Tada!